Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mike from EV.network. Sentry Mode is almost here for everybody. And people have been wondering, what if someone breaks in and then just steals your USB drive? The footage is gone. Now in the release notes of the latest build of the software, it actually says something about the footage being uploaded to Tesla. We don't have any details on exactly what happens there, but it'd be nice to be sure that nobody is going to steal your USB drive. Oh, by the way, Brian, is what if trademarked? What if you trademarked it? Anyway, I've come up with a solution to this potential problem and wanted to show you guys what I'm doing. I've actually got my trim off here because I'm going to rewrap my center console. So while it's off, I decided to run this USB cable. This is a 6-foot cable. A 4-foot would probably be fine. 3-foot would probably be too short, unless you don't want any slack up here. So what I did is I've got this tucked down inside here. It's just tucked there and then tucked in between where the trim meets, right there. And then as you can see, comes out on this side, down in here, up over this, and then back through here. Now the only thing I'm going to have to do is cut a hole right here in the side. You won't see it, it'll be covered up by this, but I'll have to cut a hole right there so I can get the end of the USB cord through here, and then I'll plug that in on the inside, and I'll put this in the glove box. So I've got a small hole cut down there, just cut a little rectangle hole just big enough for the end of the USB plug to go through. So we'll just plug this in to the USB port under here, close that up. Now we don't have to worry about getting into there. And over here in the glove box, we've got this SanDisk iXpand USB drive. Now the cool thing about this is I can plug it directly into my iPhone and get the footage off while I'm in the car. And with the cord being here, I can pull this right over to the driver's seat and get my footage off. So not only does it make it a little bit more safe, somebody would have to break the glove box open to get in there and get that, but it's also more convenient. So now you've got a cable that you can reach in and swap out your thumb drive if you want to, or if you have that kind of thumb drive, just plug it right into your phone. You don't have to fumble underneath the console. I keep some stuff down in the console, so getting the USB drive out is a little bit of a pain. So this should make it easier. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully that helps some people.